Dear residents of the city of Ekurhuleni, I am Councillor Sivuyile Ngodwana, the Executive Mayor of the city of Ekurhuleni. I would like to encourage all residents to attend the Integrated Development Plan meetings that will be taking place in our city over the coming weeks, starting from 13th April 2023. As your Executive Mayor, it is my priority to ensure that your voice are heard and that your needs are taken into account when we make important decisions about the future of our city. I urge you to attend the IDP meetings and to share your ideas, concerns, and suggestions with us. Your input is invaluable, and it will help us to develop a plan that truly reflects the need and aspirations of our community. I look forward to seeing you at the IDP meetings and working together to build a brighter future for the city of Ekurhuleni. Thank you.